Hi, crafty friends, and welcome to Color My Story Monday. I'm Tina, your creative guru with Gems, Paper, Scissors. For today's Color My Story, I am teaching you how to get a nice, beautiful, sparkly embellishment to perfectly always coordinate and match your projects, just like I did in today's process video in my VIP group on Facebook. See how those beautiful rhinestones perfectly match and coordinate with my project. What I did was I took our rhinestone basics and I grabbed one of my Stampin' Blends markers. In this case, I'm using the dark Melon Mambo, and I like using the brush side instead of the nib side. As you know, they are two-sided. So all you do is you pop that open, and before you adhere it, you go on ahead and color it until it's the right shade. And just like that, I have this perfect little embellishment that sparkles. I could have done it in the strawberry slush to also have a coordinating piece, as you can see here. And you can already tell they're slightly different, right? They're a different shade, a different hue. And it turns out perfect every single time. Because our Stampin' Blends markers are alcohol based, that means they dry almost instantaneously and do not bleed or smear. See, that's so dry. The light color is perfectly color fast and ready for your project. I hope you enjoyed this installment of Color My Story Monday. And until next time, happy crafting, friends, and find your joy.